Alright, good morning fishing friends. I am out here on a Sunday morning at a location called Grassy Pond, about 10 minutes from my house. So this is kind of one of those local beautiful places. It's like a reservoir type place, so you can't have any debris, any garbage, any gasoline engines, stuff like that. So we'll see what we can get for you guys. Thanks for watching. There's that little tyke right there. Let him grow and get bigger for us. Alright, well, we got our first one. He just hit me right up here at the boat. Little fella. Nice energy. Alright, there's that first little guy. I had to lip him. He got it in there way in there, so little dude. Give you an idea. 4.5-inch paddle tail, so little fella. GoPro, stop recording. There we go. Trying to get stuck on every branch and tree branch we can find. That's a pretty good fella. Oh, sorry. Bad landing. Pretty decent fellow there. A lot better than the first one. He's probably pushing 1.25 pounds. Alright, 1.4 pounds. Nice little fella. Start the morning off here. Still early. Hopefully we'll get you some more decent ones. Now hit me up close to the kayak. Yeah, it's a better size one. We'll throw him on the scale too. Get an idea what we're. Alright, that one pulled in at 1.7 pounds. Longer than the first two for sure. Getting close to the 2-pound mark. I like it. Alright, well this is just a little fella. Pounder. Alright, I think we got a bigger girl here. Looks like maybe a pre-spawn still. Got a good belly. It was 2.25. Alright, little camera malfunction here. Gonna fix it up here in a second, but just wanted to get this guy out into the water. So that was another 1.5 pounds or so. Alright. I'm just kind of hovering the bank here. Make a quick look and I'll get him out of here. Longer, a little skinnier. Probably another 1.5 pounds or so. Alright. There's another bite out here on these rocks. See if we can get him out. Oh, jumped and spit it. Yeah, I got a little guy up under a tree right here. Yeah, little fella. Alright, got another one up here under the trees. See if we can keep this guy on. Just trying to get myself out of where I want to be fishing over here. Look at a fish hook there. He's got it in his tongue. Just spin us around. Well, there we go. Long, but skinny. Probably another 1.5 pounds. Alright, I watched this guy trail right up to it and hit it. Like a bigger fella. little better fella. You can tell by the weight on him. There's that last fella there. He was 1.7 pounds, so pound 3/4 or so. Well, a little fella in the grass over here. We'll count it, but he's tiny. Alright, little fella in the grass over here. Alright. This guy came and hit me right up in that little tree right there. Yeah, little fella. Alright, there's that last little fella. A little guy, maybe a pounder or so. But hey, bite's a bite. Got a little fella right here. There we go. Alright, there's that little fella. Just hanging out. Boat flip. Alright, another little fella. Alright, there's that last little fella there. Trying to keep the sun out of your eyes here. Little dink. You got another little hungry fella here. Little bitty. Little bitty. Must be the little fella land here. Alright, there's our last little fella. I think this is the little guy area over here. Swimming around there. I don't know if you can see him. Swimming right underneath us. Alright, so this guy screamed at it right there. Alright. That's a nice fella right there. I threw it out right up by that wood there. Oh, there you go. Alright. A nice reaction back there. He just screamed at it as soon as that thing hit the water. Screamed at it and inhaled it. Alright, there's that last fella. He was a screamer. Screamed from right out underneath the stumps. I threw that one out there and two fish screamed at it, one from either direction. Probably hit heads. They're sitting over here hungry. Double screamer. Alright, there we go. Another little fella. Oh, this one smacked it. Right up here. Flew out of the grass and smacked it. Smacker. Alright, there's that last fella. He hit me right up here in the grass. Pretty decent sized guy, a little longer than the last couple. Alright, threw something up in the grass up here and got somebody. Play along. He's playing along. Yeah, I'm gonna grip him because it looks like I got him up high. There we go. Alright, there's that last fella. Hit it hard. Alright, well, I got a guy who is pulling me deep and hard into these weeds. Looks like there's some really solid weeds here. I don't know if he's going to stay. Oh, yeah, he stayed on. All right. All right. Guy hit it hard. All right, there's that last fella. He's sturdy. Well fed, sitting in the grass over here. Longer. Probably close to 2 pounds. All right. Well, we had another screamer here. He just flew out underneath some grass or something there and whacked it. Whacking the paddle tails. Alright, another guy hitting the weightless. This is the 3.8 inch paddle tail. Little fella.